Testosterone is the foundation of a strong physique. It builds muscle, strengthens bones, and shapes the male body. Look at any high-performing athlete or warrior throughout history. They all had one thing in common: high testosterone. Higher testosterone means greater muscle mass, improved recovery, and the ability to push past physical limits. It affects fat distribution and skeletal structure, concentrating mass in the upper body for maximum power. While facial hair isn't a direct indicator of testosterone, this hormone does influence the growth of body hair, deepens the voice, and sharpens facial features. A strong body isn't just about looks, it's a sign of inner power. When testosterone levels are high, your body is primed for action, built to withstand challenges. Testosterone makes men more resistant to physical pain and discomfort. Ever wondered why men push through injuries in sports or battle? High testosterone dulls pain. But there's a catch. It also makes you more aggressive and reactive. Women generally handle sustained pain better due to lower testosterone, but men with high levels can endure extreme bursts of discomfort. It helps men survive and thrive in harsh conditions, ensuring they don't back down when faced with adversity. High testosterone isn't just about strength. It builds a mind that refuses to quit. If you find yourself giving up too easily, it's time to check your testosterone levels. What separates leaders from followers? Testosterone, unstoppable drive. Men with high testosterone set goals and follow through. They don't quit at the first sign of resistance. This hormone fuels calculated risk-taking, pushing men to seize opportunities rather than play it safe. Whether in business, sports, or life, testosterone makes men strive for dominance, pushing them to outperform rivals. Ever notice that successful men are often unapologetically self-focused? It's not arrogance, it's biology. Testosterone makes men prioritize their own growth and success over external validation. If you lack drive or hesitate to take action, your testosterone levels might be working against you. Social influence and leadership high. Testosterone men naturally command respect. They stand taller, speak with confidence, and have a presence that demands attention. Women are instinctively drawn to men with higher testosterone because it signals strength and stability. It's not about being the loudest in the room, it's about controlled confidence. High testosterone men don't seek approval, they create their own reality. Emotional control. Balanced testosterone helps men stay calm under pressure and make rational decisions. Confidence isn't something you learn, it's something you build from within. Boost your testosterone, and your presence will do the talking. Avoiding weakness. Testosterone is the key to dominance, but it has a counterforce, prolactin. It makes men more passive, nurturing, and prone to compromise. While necessary for social bonding, too much prolactin leads to hesitation, self-doubt, and a lack of ambition. Society often rewards compliance and discourages aggression, subtly lowering men's testosterone levels. This results in a generation of men who are too afraid to take what they want. Ever felt uncomfortable receiving money for your work? That's prolactin in action, making you doubt your own worth. If you constantly feel the need to please others at your own expense, it's time to shift the balance, reduce stress, train harder, and reclaim your testosterone levels. Testosterone isn't just a hormone, it's a blueprint for dominance. From physical strength to mental resilience, social confidence to competitive drive, it dictates how far you'll go in life. Want to maximize your potential? Learn how to optimize your testosterone, master high-performance habits, and unlock elite-level success inside Top 1 Club. Join our community now. Your future is in your hands. Are you ready to take control?